Hi, I'm Henry Stuart, co-founder of Visualize and author of Virtual Reality Marketing. Virtual reality is split into two main camps. There's 360-degree video, or VR films, and there's interactive VR, and they're both produced in very different ways. Looking at 360 video first, it's actually surprisingly simple to make this now. The hardware has come along a huge amount, the cameras are really slick, the software that actually stitches them makes it really easy. You just have to know a few key things which we cover in the book in terms of composition or how you think about the camera. For example, you have to think about it like actually you're placing a human head somewhere and what's the scene going to look like from that perspective. You have to think about a few difficult storytelling aspects as well, like where the user's most likely to be looking at the end of a scene so that you start the next scene with their head in the right place. And there's all these little tricks you have to do, but as long as you get these few things right, you can start making really stunning content really quickly. And in terms of things like the cost of making virtual reality, I go through all the different people involved in capturing this footage and kind of get you to think about how you would structure this kind of shoot for yourself in your own marketing campaigns. And you'll see that actually it isn't something to be scared of at all, and that generally 360 videos can probably be made for same price as a normal production plus say 25–30%. Looking at interactive VR and how that's made, the whole industry's been hugely democratized by brilliant platforms like Unity and Unreal that allow developers to very easily make and iterate on brilliant VR content.